I'm so excited to share today's video where we take you through the process of creating a stunning, stylish cornrow look with some unique twists and details. Please stay tuned. Oh, it's Rita, baby. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. Let's get started. The first thing I did was ensure the extensions were ready to use. I carefully combed them through to make sure they were smooth and tangle free. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for the entire braiding process. After combing, I place each extension neatly on my braiding rack. Having everything organized on the rack makes it super easy to grab each piece as I work, keeping the flow of the process smooth and efficient. Once the extension were all set up, I moved to my client's hair. I started with a thorough detangling section, which I did off camera, which is absolutely essential for achieving that polished, sleek look in every braid. Properly detangling not only helps the cornrows sit neatly, but it also makes the entire braiding process much easier. After detangling, I gave the scalp a gentle massage, which you saw earlier. It's a simple step, but it really helps relax the hair and stimulates circulation, which is so important for healthy hair growth. Next up was the parting. I focus on keeping each section clean and even because clean parting is the key to a professional finished look in cornrows. As I walk through the sections, I make sure to add some varieties of each braid. You will notice I incorporated a few unique twists and styles within the cornrows. This gives it the extra flair and keep things interesting. To my returning subscribers, I say a very big thank you for supporting my channel. And if you're watching my video for the first time, I want to welcome you to my channel and I would love to have you as part of this growing community. So please take a moment to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're always updated with my latest video. If you're enjoying this video, this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel, and let me know if you want to see more content like this. And if you know someone who might love this look, feel free to share the video with them. Thank you so much. So guys, as I continue braiding, I paid careful attention to maintaining consistent tension throughout each cornrow. This is critical for achieving that sleek and uniform appearance. Like I have said in one of my videos, when you are making a cornrow, when you're plaiting someone's hair, make sure it's firm, but not too tight and not too loose to avoid all these bumps on their head. Just look at what the back is giving. Just look at that vibe. Look at that vibe. You want to try? Anyways, now that the back is done, we're moving forward to the frontal part of the head. You can see how my client is so relaxed. She's just relaxing. She's not even like, oh, shaking her head. No, no, no. It's because this doesn't hurt her. So guys, this tutorial is packed with tips and techniques to help you achieve a professional finish. Whether you're new to braiding or looking to refine your skills, this is perfect for you. Now that we are done with the hair, I added some mousse to the hair, which not only helps to hold the braids in place but also adds a beautiful shine. I also applied my hair growth oil to my client's hair. This helps to promote healthy hair growth and hydration, ensuring the style not only look great but also feels amazing. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. Let's continue to grow and create amazing styles together. See you in my next one. Bye. Thank you.